Lights, camera, action.
Welcome to Global Fusion Incorporated. That's the name of our company, Global Fusion Incorporated. Started officially noong May 1, 2008. So, nasa more than 4 years na yung company natin. Okay? Now, we are in the business of promoting health. Alright? So, by promoting health, we build our wealth. Okay lang naman siguro, no, na yumaman tayo by promoting health.
Yes.
Kung ang beer nga at ang sigarilyo, kumikita ng sobrang laki ng pera sa pagbibigay ng tao ng sakit, cancer, nilalasing yung tao. Pero, yung mayaman sila. Siguro naman mas karapat dapat na yumaman yung nagpo-promote ng health. Correct. Now, how do we become wealthy by promoting health? Through network marketing. Right? Now, a lot of people are very negative about network marketing. One big reason is lack of education. Hindi lang kasi talaga naiintindihan. Where in fact, network marketing is a simple advertising strategy na hindi gumagamit ng TV commercials, hindi gumagamit ng celebrity endorsements, hindi gumagamit ng billboard sa EDSA. Right? Because, ang tanong, itong mga ito, magkano ang budget to advertise ng ganitong klase? Right? It costs millions. Right? Sobrang daming pera. Right? Millions and millions, dollars and peso. Okay? So, nakakatuwa lang, in network marketing, we don't use this. What we use is what we call word of mouth advertising. Right? So, ibig sabihin, kung hindi dito napupunta yung budget for advertising, dito napupunta. Sino ba ang nagkukwento? Normal, ordinary na mga tao. Tama? The question here na lang is, how? Right? What's the system? What's the strategy to compensate the people who are marketing and advertising our products? Right? So, we're gonna talk about the strategy. The strategy is very simple. We have products, and the first step is to try our products. So, we have a lot of products, okay? But we can try by getting programs. Right? Programs. When I say programs, bubulahin ko kasi kayo kapag sinabi ko na yung isang bottle lang, sapat na yon to sustain or supplement what you need. Tama? Gusto ko lang kayong pagkakitaan nun. So, aaminin ko sa inyo, halimbawa, meron kaming product na weight management. This is an example. Weight management program. This is good for 1 month. Ang sinasabi ko kanina, lulukuhin ko kayo kung isang bote lang nung aming Lean and Fab, which is the official weight management partner of Miss Earth International, going 3 years. Right? So, bubulahin ko kayo kapag sinabi ko na isang bote lang, papayat na kayo. Tama? Dahil hindi naman tayo lumaki sa isang kabang bigas lang. Correct. So, maraming kabang bigas yun. Right? That's why we gained weight. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan i-sustain din, i-maintain din yung tuloy-tuloy na paggamit ng product natin. So, we can get our desired result. So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong mga programs. Ang maganda kasi, when we go through programs, hindi lang tayo bumili ng product as consumers, we also get a business with it. Right? Wherein we can make so much money. Now, paano yon? This is our programs. G1, G2, and G3. G1 is one package. This is an example. Okay? So, one package or 1 month program. So, naka-maintain ka na, supplied ka na for 1 month of weight management. Ang maganda, if you want, you can buy 2 packages. Or, 2 months na program. Maintain ka na for 2 months. G3 is 4 packages. Good for 4 months maintenance na yan. Right? So, syempre, mas makukuha mo yung desired results mo kapag tuloy-tuloy. Tama ba?
Tama.
Ngayon, ang maganda dito, dahil ang pinili mo, i-program, hindi isa-isang bote lang, you are automatically a distributor of Global Fusion Incorporated. First benefit is you get to earn. Kung 1-month program o G1 lang ang kinuha mo, you get to earn up to 360,000 pesos per month. When you get more packages, 2 months program, palalakihin ng company yung income mo. Ang pwede mong kitain is up to 576,000 per month. Pero, pag kinuha mo yung pinakamalaking package, 4 months, good for 4 months maintenance, the company will give you a potential income of up to 720,000 a month. Right? Now, what's the best thing about this? What's the best is, to start off, one package is only 8,900 pesos. 2 packages times 2 lang. Multiplied by 2 is 17,800. Multiplied by 4 is 35,600 pesos. Now, saan ka naman nakakita ng business that you can start with 8,900 only? Tama? So, ang hirap magsimula ng kahit na anong negosyo sa ganyan kalimitadong puhunan. When we're talking about traditional business, business permit pa lang yan. Right? Now, ito maganda. You don't only have a maintenance good for 1 month, you also have a benefit that you can earn so much. Meron ka pang ibang benefits. Other benefits is, meron ka account named after you, right? Which you can monitor 24/7. Proof that you are a member. So you can write down proof, right? Ang maganda, because of that account, you get 30 to 35% discount on all products. Right? Discount. Lifetime. Right? Ang maganda pa niyan, we provide world-class training programs. So, anong significance nito, Mike? Simple lang. Right? Maraming tao ang concerned, ay nako, mahina ang loob ko. Hindi ako magaling mag-rapport, wala ako masyadong confidence sa sarili ko, self-esteem mababa, mahiyain ako. So, ang pinakamaganda dyan, we provide trainings that can develop you as a person so you can maximize the strategy. Okay? Now, last but not the least is our solid support system. Okay? Ibig sabihin, support system from the company, trainings, character development programs, personality development, and support system from the team. Ibig sabihin, you will not be doing it alone. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, pag hindi mo siya ginawa mag-isa, may katulong ka, mas posibleng mangyari sa'yo yung gusto mo. Alright. Now, what do we do to earn this? Yun ang tanong. Right? So, na-appreciate natin yung benefits. Na-appreciate natin yung opportunity. The question is, okay, how do we make money? We proceed to the second step. To make a fortune, you need to share. After sharing, after trying the product, you share. You share our business, you share our products, and these are ways. We have 6 ways where you can make money by sharing. 1, when you share through retailing. When you do retailing, you have profit of up to 35%. Naalala nyo to? Right? So, ibig sabihin, I'll give you a sample. Lean and Fab, or glutathione, SRP is 2.5. So, SRP yan. But, discounted up to 35%, 1,625 na lang, distributor's price. So, ang profit per bottle is 875 per bottle. You sell 10 bottles, that's 8,000. You sell 100 bottles, that's 87,000. Tama? Not bad for extra income. Maganda niyan, we do it through online marketing. Tama? Second, aside from retailing, so meron tayong isa pang paraan, which is by enrolling others to the business. Just like what you did, nag-enroll ka ng program. When you enroll others, ano ang bonus mo naman dyan? Ang tawag namin dyan is direct enrollment bonus. So, ang direct enrollment bonus is simple. If you have a friend enrolled at G1, you get 500 pesos. If you have a friend you invited enrolled at G2, 1,000 pesos for you. G3, 1,500. Simple? Yes. So, very simple. Ang maganda niyan, palakihin natin yung income. Let's multiply your income by building a team. right? When you build a team, you get more people, more than one person. Okay? You get point system matching. So, yung tawag sa bonus namin, point system matching or matching bonus. Okay. Simple lang. Bakit may points? Each package has an equivalent point value. One package, 1 point. Simple? Right. So, dahil one package in G1, 1 point, G2 is 2 points, and G3 is 4 points. Ang sabi lang ng system, 1 point coming from the left and 1 point coming from the right, matched is equal to 1,200 pesos. Paano nangyari yun, Mike? Simple. You remember your account? That account named after you, simple, meron lang left and right. So, ibig sabihin, to build a team, you just need to look for, initially, 2 people only. So, let's say, you invited people to enroll them in the business. You got 2 friends who got G1. Tama? So, automatic, enrollment bonus mo, tig 500. Correct? Right. Ito maganda. Sabi ng point system matching, if we see 1 point from the left and 1 point from the right, we give you 1, 2. Nasunod ba yung formula? Yes. Ang G1, 1 point, ang G1, 1 point, left and right, meron kang isang match. 1 match is 1,200. All in all, your first income is 2,200 pesos. Clear? Right. Now, we proceed to after the second step, third step. Alright? We multiply through teaching. So, we teach and support. Okay? Emphasize ko, through training and support, these 2 people will know what to do. I-train natin, supportahan natin. Let's say we help them get their first 2. So, automatically, they also earn 2. Tama ba? 500, 500, 1, 2. 500, 500, 1, 2. Your 2 of your friends made money through your training and your support. Tama. Through teamwork. Ang maganda niyan, because you helped them make money, you also made money again. Bakit? Nasunod na naman yung formula. Sabi, 1 point left, 1 point right. You have 2 points left, 2 points right. That's 1, 2, 1, 2. That's 2,400 para sa'yo. Pwede na? You made 2,400 out of 4 enrollees na hindi na ikaw nag-invite, hindi mo na-contact. You multiplied your effort, you multiplied your contact, you multiplied your time. Enrolled 4 people under your network na hindi ikaw ang may contact at may invite. Okay? You made 2,400. Magandang negosyo? Yes. Right? So the question, Mike, paano kapag hindi parehas ng package kinuha? Ito nakakuha ng G1, yung kabila may nakuhang G3. So paano yan, Mike? Magkaibang package. So simple lang. 1 point ang G1, 1, 2, 3, 4 points ang G3. So still, the formula still applies. 1 point from the right and 1 point from the left, 1,200 still ang kinita mo dyan. Tama? Meron ka pang 3 points waiting. Okay? So, yung 3 points, kaya siya tinawag na waiting, mag-aantay lang dyan hanggat walang kamatch sa kabila. So, you just need to, again, train and support these people. One of them gets a G1. The new G1 gets 2 G1s. Automatically, that's 1, 2, 3 points bago from the left. Ima-match dun sa 3 points na waiting. So, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, that's 3,600 income again for you. Pwede? Okay? So, very simple yung ating plan. Right? You can finish here. Right? And you can ask questions na after this one. So, wala pa tayong 15 minutes. Okay? We're done with 1, 2, 3. So, if your prospect still has time, meron pang time, you can go through number 4 and number 5 very briefly para hindi pahabain. Simple lang. Infinity bonus, right, is a very simple bonus. Instead of getting 2 people, instead of getting 2, you get 5. So, 5 directs unlocks infinity bonus. So, this is a sample. Let's say, you got 5, nagkamali ka, lahat ilagay mo sa left. Tama? So, parang tanga lang, di ba? Right? Hindi, hindi nagkaroon ng matching.
Don't say bad word.
Sorry. So, sabihin na natin, okay, hindi ikaw yan. Hindi ikaw yan. Ibang tao yan, no? Medyo hindi naintindihan yung napakasimpleng sistema, kaliwat kanan na nga lang na mali pa. No? So, lahat ng 5 niya, nakuha niya, nilagay niya lahat sa left. So, syempre, wala siya ng bonus na to. Number 3. Tama? Walang points na nag-match left and right. Yung right niya walang laman. Pero because of infinity bonus, you can still make income. Kasi ang infinity bonus, simple ang formula. You get 3% sa lahat ng PSM or matching bonus of all your downlines. So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng left and right nito, kumita siya ng 1, 2. Bawat 1,200. Every 1, 2, you get 3%. So, this person gets 1, 2, you get 3% of 1, 2. Ito nakakuha, ito nakakuha, ito nakakuha, left and right, ito nakakuha, left and right. Every point system matching bonus, 3% akyat sa'yo, even if the network is only on the left side. Not bad? What if left and right pa? So, you have infinity bonus na, you have point system matching pa. Simple? Very simple. And, I found a better way of communicating unilevel income. Very simple lang unilevel income naman natin. Sabi ng unilevel income, you, right, getting, let's say, your first direct, si A, tama? So, si A is your first level. On your first level, let's say A, ang binili ni A is 10,000 worth of products. Tama? Wala ka nang binenta, hindi ka na rin nag-invite, si A bumili ng 10,000. Dahil first level mo siya, dahil direct mo si A, meron kang 6% out of the 10,000. Akit sa'yo yun. Clear? Right. Ito maganda. Let's say si A nakuha si B, si C, si D, si E. So, itong 4, bumili ng product. Pag tinotal mo lahat ng products nila, 50,000. Tama? Out of 50,000, dahil second level mo itong 4, dahil nakuha nung ano mo first level, meron kang 4% ng 50,000 akit sa'yo. Okay? Now, ito makulit. Paramihan. Let's say si B nakakuha ng 5. Si C nakakuha ng 10. Si D isa lang. Si E ang nakuha 20. So, ilan yan? Lahat ng yan, bibili ng products. Third level mo yan. Okay? So, yung lahat ng yan, pag bumili, let's say, umabot ng total na 100,000, yung worth ng products na binili nila in 1 month, you get 2% out of the 100,000. That is our unilevel income, wherein aabot ng hanggang 8th level. From 4th to 8th level, meron kang 1.6% sa lahat ng purchases ng network mo, which is parami ng parami habang bumababa. Can you imagine? Right. Ang maganda dito, walang limit to. Paano nangyaring walang limit, Mike? Kala ko ba hanggang 8 level lang? Right. On that direct. Tama ba? Let's say this is Ronnie. Si Ronnie yung first direct. So, first level mo. Bumili si Ronnie 10,000, may 6% ka sa 10,000. What if, lumaki yan, nakakuha ka pa ng isa? Ang nakuha naman natin si Morgan. Si Morgan, first level mo na naman yan. Lahat ng bilhin ni Morgan, 6% ka. Eh, nakuha ni Morgan, si G, si H, si I, si J, si K. Etong mga to, bumili ng product, second level mo na naman yan. 4% na naman. So, that's unilevel income. Right? And last but not the least is our GFI bonus. GFI bonus is especially for G3s lang. Right? So, medyo special si G3 dahil siya nga naman yung 4 packages kagad. Tama? Sabi ng GFI bonus, if you, as a G3 holder, makes 250,000 accumulated income from matching bonus, okay, and purchase a total of 250,000 product purchase, total, automatic, pagka nangyari na yan, the company will give you 40,000 pesos. Bigay na yan. Bonus. Right? So, we're done. That's the presentation.
Closing.
19. Right? In closing, the presentation is very simple. Everyone can do it. Doesn't require na meron kang resume, right? Or doesn't ask what your background is. It's very simple. You can do it anywhere. Kayang ipaliwanag. Simpleng-simple lang. So if I can do it, nagawa ko, I'm sure you can also. Tama?
No, mostly emphasize the word.
Speed?
Yeah.
Wow.
So that they'll know.
You wanna include that?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
In closing, I wanna emphasize one word. Speed. Right? Because speed will affect 3 areas of this business. Number 1 is your story. Right? If your story is slow, mabagal ang progress, weak yung story. Tama? Hindi maganda yung kwento. You wouldn't want to share it. Tama? Kasi di ba ang ating strategy is after we try, we share. Right? Ang pangit naman i-share na isang kwentong mabagal ang progress. Tama ba? So, importante, pagandahin natin yung kwento natin. Sa pagsali pa lang natin, sa paggawa pa lang natin ng paraan, kailangan maganda na yung kwento natin. Alright? It needs to be fast, and it needs to be true. Okay? So, sunod, kapag mabilis na, at totoong-totoo pa, then it will also affect your conviction. Masarap ikwento kapag maganda yung kwento. Tama ba? Right? May gigil. May passion. Correct? Hindi naman ako nakakita ng gigil na mabagal. Nakakita na ba kayo ng gigil na mabagal? Wala eh. So it will affect your conviction. Tama? Kumbaga, hindi ka naman sasama sa tao na pag nag-present sa'yo or nagkwento sa'yo, walang ka, latoy-latoy. Tama? Tama. Correct? And, pag nanood ka ng palabas na maganda, di ba gusto mo ikwento? Correct. So, ibig sabihin, pag maganda ang kwento, masarap ikwento. Now, last but not the least is the positioning. Right? When I say positioning, this could be the person who invited you. Right? Wala siyang ibang paglalagyan kundi left and right. Right? So, ibig sabihin, anything more than 2, you spill over. Tama? Anything that this person gets more than 2 spills down. Tama? So, kung tuloy-tuloy ang pagbato pa ilalim, hindi lang naman 2 di ba 5 nga, 5 direction nga ang goal eh. Correct? So, ibig sabihin, where do you want to be in positioning? This one or this one? Yun lang ibig namin sabihin. Paano kung masipag to? Tama? Paano kung malaki ang pangarap ng tao na ito? Nauna ka. Kaya may kasabihan tayo. Daig ng maagap ang masipag. Ako ba nag-invento nun? Ako ba? Hindi. Right? That principle is there for a reason. May katotohanan kasi siya. Pag binilisan nyo, 50% almost of your effort is done. Kasi meron na kayong kabila. Dahil lang, binilisan ninyo. Kabila na lang ang kailangan nyo sa Clear? That's it, folks. My last message is, do it now. Simple. When is the perfect time to do this? Ronnie, when's the perfect time to do this?
Now.
Actually,
Yesterday.
Yesterday. Kahapon pa dapat. Right? Kahapon pa natin gustong umasenso. Last year pa natin gustong yumaman. Last year pa natin gustong kumita ng mas malaki. Pero nakalipas na yun. The good news is, we still have now. Palalagpasin pa ba natin? Right? So, again, my message is, do it now. Thank you. God bless you all. I hope I helped you guys. 30 minutes with closing na yun. Okay? So, right. Tingnan natin yung timer. Timer. You see? 24 minutes with closing. Tama? Kinumpleto ko pa yung hanggang 6. may kasama pang kung ano-anong instructions. May kasama pang kwan. Right? So, kung ganyan kasimple, ganito ka-short, I know, mas marami tayong makakausap and we will have a wonderful harvest for 2013. Right. Thank you very much. God bless. Amen, amen. Rule 3.
T-Bex salt.
Yeah.
Ano masasabi mo, bro?
Ang galing ng kwan, ng pagkakakuan ni Mike. Talagang napakwan din ako doon. Sobra. Kwan, 24 minutes lang yung kwan.
Okay, T-Mex salt, 5,000. By God's grace, kaya yan.
Yes. Well, for products or for particular prospects na mas nakalin sa products, mas interesado sa products, you can always emphasize that for more in-depth product info and knowledge, you can always approach our product specialist. We can leave you brochures, reading materials that you can so you can study about the products. We can leave you websites where you can browse more about the products. What I can say is personal testimony about this product, this product, this product. All we can do is testify about it kasi ang mas credible talagang mag-discuss ng detalye sa products is our product specialists and product trainers. And for more good news, every Wednesday we have the Right Regimen. It's free, basic training about our products. And intensive training every Friday. So, you are free to attend. Okay? So, yun. Yun yung emphasis natin. After, yung meeting after meeting, you can always highlight naman ang products na interesado sila. At least, hindi yung dinaanan natin yung mga products, hindi pala interesado. Tama? Mas maganda yung medyo may bitin because kapag interesado talaga, magtatanong. Tama? Mas gusto mo yung magtatanong. Correct? Kasi ibig sabihin, may interest na spark yung interest niya, which is good. That's a good sign when they're interested. So, mas okay yun. Okay? Any more questions, guys? Any more? No more? See, we're still, the 30 minutes is still not over. We have mom na.
Question.
Yes.
Pwede ba kayo ulit sa simulan? Hindi ko kasi naiintindihan.
See you next time, guys.